It's Christmas time! Welcome to ELT Christmas Party! Every year, I have a Christmas party for Japanese and British families in London for my English language school, ELT School of English.
Yes, I know it's much for a man to cry.
We serve delicious Japanese party foods such as gyoza, takoyaki, Japanese fried chicken, and curry. The recipes are all on my YouTube, together with videos of the fantastic Japanese entertainment we had. Please have a look and get ideas for your Christmas party or any parties you might have in the new year.
Very special Christmas for me, yeah.
Have a lovely Christmas and a Happy New Year!